Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday reviewed the progress of the state veterinary department with a focus on strengthening livestock health, improving productivity and enhancing livelihoods of farmers. During the review meeting, the Chief Minister assessed the department's ongoing initiatives, including the successful rollout of online livestock health certificates since September 2025 alongside preventive vaccination and animal treatment programs across the state. The meeting also evaluated the performance of government farms and implementation of the special livestock production program in the piggery and poultry sectors while deliberating on future strategies to boost livestock development. Among the key proposals discussed were the establishment of a College of Veterinary Science at Kirdemkollai, infrastructure upgradation through centrally sponsored schemes, and the construction of animal checkposts in Ribhoi and West Garo Hills to strengthen veterinary sciences, services and disease surveillance. The review further highlighted several completed initiatives, including the revamp of departmental farms, the establishment of the regional semen production laboratory and semen bank for sheep and goats at Kirdemkollai under the National Livestock Mission, and the construction of an animal shelter at 22 miles, Narang in Ribhoi under Rashtriya Gokul Mission.
We had reviews of certain departments. And as you are aware that every week we review the working and functioning of departments and of different schemes in order to monitor, to review and to also create accountability and take corrective measures if required. Based on that particular objective, today we had a review of 4 important programs and departments. The first was the veterinary and animal husbandry department, and we looked at the overall functioning of the department. At the same time, we worked towards creating specific targets and goals, especially when it comes to the overall demand and supply and measures on how to reduce the gap between the demand and supply. And second, to ensure that the overall livelihood opportunities that are there for our farmers, how we could enhance it, how we could give opportunities to entrepreneurs to come into this sector and create value. So all of these aspects were discussed, and how government should intervene in it. All the details were discussed in this aspect. At the same time, we also looked into the support structure and system required for it, whether it's the manpower shortage that's there in the department, or the supply of feed, or the vaccination program, and important infrastructures like the veterinary hospital. All of these aspects were discussed in detail, and in the coming weeks, we will again further review the plan of action and how we will move forward in those aspects.